Are you looking for that perfect gift for that active lifestyle person in your life? I know sometimes it can be hard to find the right gift. Look no further. We've done the dirty work for you. I put together a list of the top 10 gifts for this person. Check it out.
How healthy do you think you are? What if you didn't have to guess? Meet FitTrack. It detects fat mass, muscle mass, hydration, and 14 other important health insights. FDA approved and tested against the gold standard with 120,000 customers in 12 countries. FitTrack is top rated with 4.9 stars on over thousands of reviews. Gain daily insights on multiple areas of your health. With 17 different health indicators, you'll know precisely how healthy you are. Click here to learn more about FitTrack today.
Tiki Tunes ready to pair. Tiki Tunes ready to pair. Tiki Tunes connected.